YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys colors in which you can use for your wedding, like for wedding engagements, wedding parties, if you want to do journals, crafts bags, paper bags, customized bags, whatever, roll up banners, anything you want to use for your weddings. Colors as graphic artists that you can use for your design. Of couples love their colors, they have their own color, they've already picked and everything. So we're going to look at how to balance it. Some, like, if you're a Nigerian graphic designer, at some point in time in your career you must have come up across some couples who'll be like, I want crocodile green or tomato red, poto brown, cockroach purple. Couples could pick the most useless and weird colors for their wedding, which is understandable, which we all know about. But as graphic designers, we could actually play around them a bit to make things rock, which I'm sure you know. Like, if a couple comes around and be like, okay, I want maroon with chocolate brown and gold. Now you might feel like, these colors cannot go, or maroon with army green, chocolate brown and yellow. What would you do? Please leave it in the comments below. Either ways, here is a way you can play around with all of that. You can, like, you don't have to use the exact colors. Like for green, they might want army green, so you could play with shades of green. One way to actually get like variety of shades of green is on Adobe Color. There are a lot of websites which will be, I'll put the links in the description below. There are a lot of websites in which you could check for different shades of colors. You could understand and see how ways to play with different shades of colors that would actually match and come out beautiful in your designs. One, without tarnishing your reputation and your career as a designer, because believe me, some couples are out to tarnish your career with their kind of colors. So anyway, if you want to blend out things, just make it in a way that it will be very understandable. The colors, you please your clients, you don't tarnish your own career, your reputation, and you also have a very good outstanding design in the end, which is the goal of everything. The design coming out perfectly, beautifully, and also your clients being like, oh, wow, oh, you made our day, oh wow, we love it, all of that. And if you're doing for like wedding designs, you could use flowers. You must not use exactly the color. Okay, I want the maroon color, army green, and like yellow, brown, chocolate brown. You don't have to necessarily use the exact color on the design. You could maybe go for a white background with like a light pattern in between, a light black and white pattern which will be faded, the opacity reduced a little. And you could go for flowers, like flowers that could complement the colors they want in the front. You could use those flowers to make it beautiful, not too much, because less is more is less, you know it. So you could use flowers, use emblems, use frames that will carry these colors but still make your design stand out, like pop, and both your clients will be happy and you will not cry after you've seen your work being printed. Of the colors, most couples love their colors, but if you are actually like, you might meet some couples that will be like, okay, we don't know, just pick any color, just use anything, whatever, we don't care. So you could pick good colors that complement them. You might ask them, okay, what's their favorite colors, what do they like doing the most, what is their hobby. Yes, it might feel like you're prying into their life, but you're just being a designer, because as a designer you're supposed to interpret them. Like, it's their day, they should enjoy it, they should love it. So you should also be able to make designs that would also make them happy and they will be comfortable in, because you would not want to design something that when being printed, the clients can't reject because they've already paid or because they don't want to make you feel bad. That's when you meet a nice client. Okay, amen to that. And or you could, they would not like it during the day, they would not even feel happy about it, and your work speaks for you. So someone could see your work on the wedding day, in the reception, or the church programs, and be like, who did this? I need one. My wedding is coming up, or I have an engagement or an anniversary, or I need a business profile. It could also speak. So always pick colors that rhyme. You don't have to use the exact colors. You can play with shades of each colors. You could mess around with different backgrounds. You can blend backgrounds into the colors you want. So if a background is a different kind of color but you like the pattern, you could work your way with it and blend it into your own colors that will still make it come out beautifully, and you will also be happy with what you've done. So if clients actually ask you to pick colors for them or do stuff for them, feel free. Don't feel like you're on the edge, like, what colors do I pick? What do I know? Just talk to them. If you know them personally, you know what they want, what they like, cool. But if you don't, also just still give them something that they will feel comfortable in. It's just like the wedding dress. The bride has to be comfortable in what she's wearing, obviously, to enjoy her day. And the guy has to be able to breathe in his suit to dance. Colors, talk to them. Like, okay, just have a date that you want to exchange, talk to them and get to know them. Like, okay, I just have a few questions. Since you asked me to take care of everything, there are a few things I would love to tell you, to ask you, just to make everything balance out. One, you would look very professional when you do this. Two, your clients feel a certain kind of connection between the both of you. So it is really understandable. They feel you get them, you flow, which will also go on to being a lasting relationship between you and your client, which could not just end after you design and print and deliver your job to them. Once you've talked to them, you understand what they want, you understand everything they want, you understand, okay, these are their hobbies, this is what they like doing, or you notice maybe from their Instagram profiles, you've seen, okay, these are the kind of colors they wear most often, or they relate more often to, or these are the kind of if they want to pick a chocolate or they want to pick something, a dress or an accessory, this is the kind of pattern or something they use. You could also use that to decide on the colors or the symbols or stuff to use for your design. So as a graphic designer, we also have to pay attention to all their needs. It's not just doing a design and pumping it and dropping it for them and be like, okay, this is the color you want, I've dropped it. Or you ask me to pick a color, I just pick black, red and purple and poop, here it is, bye. No, we have to learn to understand our clients, understand what they want, which we are not mind readers, amen. So we have to, when we get to know them, we must not know them personally, but on a business level, we also have to, professional level, we also have to know them. Like, okay, I need some clues. If I'm going to make this work, you have to give me clues on things you want to do, things you love that could make me deliver more efficiently, that you would also love. And I bet you they would definitely love it. And like anniversary and birthdays, if colors aren't picked, that's like the best way to actually relate to your client and understand and know what they want and still deliver perfectly fine without having any issues. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube videos. So if you're still around, I would love to hear what you think. If you think I'm right, give these videos a thumbs up. And if you also have any comments or any contradictions, please, let's battle it in the comments. I'm ready to answer any questions or be put down or being told, no, those colors don't work. Believe me, I know. So tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. You guys have been awesome. Subscribe, give these videos a thumbs up. Comment down below. I want to hear what you think. Don't just watch and walk away and be like, okay, that's the video. Please tell me what you think. As a graphic designer or as anyone else, even though you're not a designer, I would also want to hear your thoughts.